Hey guys, hope you're having a good day. Mark here. Right now in this video, we're going to be going over how to set up the main portion of what you're going to need to take the trades with us, which is TradingView. It is the software platform that we use to actually chart out all of our trades and to place the orders. So this is like absolutely a necessity if you're going to be trading with us, especially if you're newer. If you're already know what you're doing, you know how to take trades, you can use whatever platform you already do use. But for anyone who's new and doesn't know what they're doing, 100% use this one. I love it way more than any other service. So first step first, open up your internet browser. The website we're going to go to is www.tradingview.com. Right here at the very top of the screen, you can see it, tradingview.com. When you open it up, it'll look just like this. If you don't have an account, if you do, it'll look differently. But if you're new to this, top right where it says get started, go ahead and click on that button. As far as which one of these to pick, so let's go over these. It'll say non-professional, professional. Make sure this is always selected non-professional. It should default to that, but just make sure. It gives you the option to pay annually or monthly. Totally up to you. You save 16%, which is 2 months for free, like it says right here if you go annually. If you're planning on doing this with us for a while, not a bad idea, but they do have huge sales a few times a year, like Black Friday. I think I saved 45%. So if you want to, what I would recommend, just go monthly for now. And then when those sales pop up, you can jump in on that and make sure to get the savings then. It'll save you way more money. As far as which one to pick, again, if you're new and you're not really sure what you're doing, you just want to take trades with us and kind of get a feel for things, the Essentials is completely fine. The main difference between these is that the higher tier gives you more charts, which we'll get into on another video. I use multiple charts for the same ticker that we trade, but again, we can get into that later. If you're brand new to this and you just want to learn the basics, stick with the Essentials. If you want to get a little more in depth, or if you're intermediate or advanced and you want to chart with us like we do on the advanced technical analysis trades, you're going to need Plus or even Premium to make that happen. For the sake of this video, though, we'll stick with the Essentials, 15 bucks a month, free for 30 days. Go ahead and just click that. Obviously, I don't know why anybody would skip a free trial. So try free for 30 days. And then it's going to ask you to sign in with one of these options. For this argument of this video, I'm just going to go with an email. I actually have an account with them set up already. So this isn't going to work when I do this, but I'm just going to do it just to show you. So you're going to put an email in there, make a password. I'm not a robot, and then create an account. So once you do that, what'll happen is it's going to take you to the home page, back to where we were. And let me just sign in really quick. God, seriously. Right. Boom. Okay, so once you sign in, it's going to look just like this. It'll now say up here in the top right corner, your initial of the account you used to sign in. It'll no longer say sign up. That's how you know you completed it and you did it correctly. That's all you need to know for this video. I'll get into how to set up this whole section, which is your watch list, how to set up the actual chart itself, all the indicators that you will need, everything else on the following videos. So as long as you guys made it to this part, then so far you're golden. Good job. I'll see you on the next video.